Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the object is a polyhedron. That matters because our methods rely on flat faces and straight edges. Once done, set up a clear view, rotate a model, or spread a net. Immediately mark every visible vertex with a unique number or sticky tab so you can track repeats. This prevents double counting. While labeling, explain to yourself why each corner behaves as a vertex. It's where at least 3 faces meet. Now proceed to count and record. Next, focus on edges. Follow each face boundary and trace every segment once. As you go, mark edges you've counted with a small tick so you don't recount shared edges between faces. You can also list vertex pairs. If 2 labeled vertices connect, that's an edge. Check them off as you confirm. If any edge is hidden, rotate the model or unfold the net to expose it. This systematic tracing ensures accurate edge totals and clarifies connections between faces and vertices. Finally, count faces by identifying each distinct flat region, remembering to include the base and any separate polygonal holes as faces. Once you have V and E, use Euler's formula V minus E plus F equals 2 for convex polyhedra to verify your totals. This tells you whether you missed something. If the equation fails, recheck your vertex labels and edge ticks, or unfold the net to reveal hidden faces. A quick rescan usually resolves inconsistencies. Correct one error at a time to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.